The government's goal is to have universal internet access on the island by 2030. The advent of COVID-19 has given greater impetus for this goal as the country's broadband needs have increased. Speaking from the floor of the Parliament on Tuesday, Science, Energy and Technology Minister Daryl Vaz gave an update on the government's plans.
Minister Vaz provided updates on wide-ranging initiatives. One major plank is the expansion of the government fiber optic cable and microwave infrastructure. He admitted that the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the build-out of this infrastructure.
One of the biggest risks that we now face to the expansion of the fiber optic and microwave backbone is a disruption to the international supply chain because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic has resulted in significant delays in delivery of accessories and equipment, including routers, which are critical to the execution of this work. So that when we are talking about timelines, Madam Speaker, for completion, we are now required to factor in significant delays which affect not only the government's activities, but also those private sector contractors and partners who are working alongside us.
He also reported on the expansion of public Wi-Fi hotspots. The minister said the goal is to have 189 established in this financial year.
We are proceeding with the implementation in 4 phases. And let me just stop there. Based on a discussion I had and a meeting I'm to have on Thursday, I'm seeking to change from 4 phases to 3 phases and to have everything completed for the 189 Wi-Fi hotspots by the end of this financial year, which means March 2022. And if you take a look, Madam Speaker and colleagues, at the screen, you will see what Jamaica will look like after those 189 hotspots have been put in. And that, Madam Speaker, picture only represents 129 because 60 have yet to be selected that are in the process now. So just imagine 60 more of those dots and what that will do for Jamaica.
Mr. Daryl Vaz also addressed the issue of schools and internet accessibility. He said that of the 980 public schools, more than 399 have poor internet service and 220 are without access to the internet. Blame was placed on a lack of communication infrastructure in the communities where the schools are located. However, he assured that the government has a multi-tier plan to address the issue in schools as well as 48 places of safety. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Gabrielle Thompson.